If you have got a strike on your channel, don't panic and don't skip this video. In this video, I will show you exactly how to remove an active copyright strike from your YouTube channel quickly and easily. So you can see right here, I have an active copyright strike on my YouTube channel. And now I am going to show you how to remove this active copyright strike step by step. So let's get started. At first, tap on the copyright strike section in your YouTube channel dashboard. Then here you tap on copyright school. Now 4 questions will appear on your screen and you need to complete all of them. If you don't know the answers, stay tuned, I will explain everything step by step. Here you go back and open Google. Then search for copyright school answers. Then tap on the first link that appears in the search results. Now here you can see all the questions along with their correct answers. So just go through them one by one and use them to answer your quiz correctly. This video is for educational purposes only. Please make sure you complete the quiz responsibly. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. Once you have answered all the questions, tap on check answers to see they are correct. As you can see, here I have answered all the questions correctly. Once all your answers are right, just tap on done to finish the quiz and complete the process. Now you can see that my active copyright strike has been removed successfully from my YouTube channel. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like.